going to show you how to insert your SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy S21. After we insert it, we're going to check the mobile settings as well. So first thing we got to do is go ahead and take out your SIM tray. If you look on the bottom here, you can see the SIM tray right here, okay? So go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. It came out of your box right there. If you don't have that, you can use a different one from a different phone, even a thin paper clip, bobby pin, even the backup stud earring, as long as it's like thin and a little long here. So let me put this upside down. Now remember, you see the SIM tray here. Now the hole to eject it is on the left-hand side. That's not it. It's this one here. Okay, so we're going to place it, put the needle into the hole right here, and then we're going to go ahead and press in until the lip comes out just a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and take this out. And let me just set this right here. And let's grab the SIM card. Now on the tray, you can see the top left-hand side has a diagonal cut. And you can see my SIM card, top left hand has a little diagonal cut here. So we want to place it in just like this, where the metal contacts are facing up. And you want to snap it in place, and you want to make sure it's not going to fall out, okay? Now let's go ahead and insert it. Make sure you insert it in correctly, just like this. Let's press in, and it said no SIM on here. Now it says searching. Give it 1 second here. Okay, now I just found it says T-Mobile, which is my carrier here in the US, and I see my reception bars, okay? So I'm good to go. Now, let's double check the mobile settings, okay? So you want to go to settings now, so you can just swipe up and then go into your settings right there. And then from here, you want to tap on connections right there. And then we want to go to mobile networks. Okay, so you can see that by default, they turn my data roaming on. Some of you guys may not want that on. Some of you guys get charged after a certain amount. I have unlimited data roaming, so I'm fine with leaving it on. And you can see the my network mode, the 5G LTE, and my network operator here is T-Mobile. So everything is set, ready to go. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below, all right?